Hello friends, when I started my financial journey, I faced a lot of challenges. I was completely blank about stocks, mutual fund, insurance, tax planning, etc. I knew one thing, I don't want to work for the rest of my life. Hence, I started looking for options to invest my money. And just like a beginner in stock market, I wanted to double my wealth in no time. But since I had no knowledge, I ended up investing rupees 50,000 in a stock suggested by my friend. At that time, it was a big amount for me. Unfortunately, I lost 90% of my money. At that point in time, I realized the importance of managing my money. I thought that if someone would have guided me with the right way to invest my money, I would have not lost my money. Hence, I decided to learn every aspect of money management. The biggest challenge was access to the right information. I could not find a single platform that covers every aspect of money management, including insurance, mutual fund, stocks, etc. Hence, I spent thousands of hours learning every aspect of money management from various articles, books, videos, blogs, etc. Unfortunately, personal finance, which is one of the most important life skills, is not a part of school curriculum in India. And it is not just about stock market. It is much more than that. For me, personal finance is all about achieving financial freedom in life so that you don't need to work for money anymore. And that requires a holistic picture around money management, including how to increase income, how to optimize expenses, how to invest money, and the most important piece, that is how to manage risk. When I looked around, I realized that majority of people have no clue about how to manage money. In fact, when I researched, I realized that every year millions of people in India make many financial mistakes. For example, they end up mixing insurance and investment, they end up falling in debt traps, they end up falling in Ponzi schemes, they end up investing based on tips, etc. In fact, in the stock market, the majority of people do not know how to analyze a company. They just want these stock tips, when to enter and when to exit. That's it. They don't care about anything else. Eventually, this results in destroying their financial lives. Hence, last year I started a complete course on money management with 100 plus videos. And within a year, I got an amazing response with more than 5,000 plus learners enrolled in the course. But there was still one gap. Majority of people said that the course is good, but when it comes to investment, they still need some sort of hand-holding as they are not confident about investing their money on their own. Hence, I have launched investment-related services on my website. In this video, I am going to explain the key features of the services and some of the common questions around it. In case you are not interested in knowing about the services, you can skip the video. So basically, there are three services that are available on the website. It includes complete course on money management, weekly video on stock market and my investment strategy, and research-based stock portfolio reports. Let's look at each services in detail. This course is a result of years of my hard work. Like I mentioned before, when I started my financial journey, I could not find a single platform where I could learn every aspect of money management, including insurance, mutual fund, stocks, tax planning, etc. There are YouTube channels and various other platforms and books where you can learn about various aspects of money management, but the biggest problem is that there is too much information with thousands of videos, and it is really difficult to filter out the key information. Hence, I spent almost 5 years learning everything from scratch. And then I finally curated a complete course in a structured manner with 100 plus videos. There are 3 modules in this course. First module is on Personal Finance Foundation, where I have discussed the important concepts like power of compounding, real versus nominal return, what is insurance, what are the type of insurance, how to select the right term plan and medical plan, how to build an emergency fund, how to make the best use of credit card, how to calculate tax and save maximum tax, what are the high-level options to invest in India, and most important concept on framework to achieve financial freedom. The foundation is very important because only when you learn the importance of saving your money and ways to save tax and manage risk, you will be able to invest the money. Second module is everything about mutual fund, where I have covered the concepts like what is mutual fund, how mutual fund work, type of mutual fund, how to select the best mutual fund, active versus passive mutual fund, how to calculate rolling return, how to build a right mutual fund portfolio, etc. Third module is stock fundamental analysis, where I have covered the concepts like key terminologies in stock market like what is Sensex, Nifty, market cap, face value, book value, etc. Then how economy works, what is the business model of various sectors like bank, FMCG, IT, auto, insurance, etc. Then what factors impact the stock price movement. Then how to read the annual report, how to analyze the balance sheet, P&L statement, cash flow statement, how to do the ratio analysis, how to use free tools like Screener to pick quality stock, how to avoid losing money in stock market, etc. On an average, the video length is 15 minutes and covers a total of around 25 hours of content. Overall, I have tried to cover everything a person should know about money management. There are 100 plus recorded videos with 1 year of access, and each chapter has a PDF version which is downloadable. Now the common question for the course is, how will you solve the doubts? So there are mainly two ways for doubt solving. First is the live session that I conduct on a regular basis where you can ask your doubts. And second option is the website community where I am active and try to answer every question to the best of my knowledge. Now next common question is, how is the course different from YouTube? So on my YouTube videos, I cover the stock fundamental analysis where I analyze the company. But in my course, I will teach how to analyze those stocks like I do. There are a lot of ratios like ROE, ROCE, PE, PB, etc. that a common person don't understand. Likewise, I teach how to pick the right mutual fund, how to shortlist the right life insurance and health insurance, how to save maximum tax, and so on. So that you don't need to depend upon others on investment plans. You don't need to take investment tips. So this course is helpful for anyone who want to learn every aspect of personal finance and investment. As a part of investment services, I have launched an exclusive video per week series where I will share the list of stocks I have invested in and my investment strategy. I will also discuss the various factors that would impact a particular sector and key companies that could benefit from it. For example, government initiatives like the PLI scheme would benefit a lot of sectors in the manufacturing area. Then trends like China Plus One has created huge opportunity in the chemical sector. So I would discuss all the major events in the stock market every week along with my strategy on the same. But again, it would only be helpful for long-term investors and not for traders. The major idea is to help investors understand what factors really impact the stock price movement in the real world and how you can plan your strategy to create wealth in the long term. By the way, if you only want to enroll in this weekly video series, you can also join my YouTube channel on a monthly subscription basis. So I have enabled the join button on my channel. Now it is your choice if you want to enroll on my website or from YouTube. Now the third part of the service is research-based stock portfolio reports. So what exactly is this service? So I, along with my team, have curated a list of multiple stock portfolios based on various themes and ideas. For example, it includes top large cap stocks, top mid cap stocks, top small cap stocks, top monopoly stocks, etc. We will also be publishing research report on many new stock portfolios like top technology stock, top chemical stock, top recent IPOs, top dividend paying stock, etc. In that, we will cover the business of the company, its key strength, key risk, future growth, financials, and valuation. In addition, we will keep a track of all these stocks portfolio based on the quarterly performance and will decide if we need to add or remove stocks from the portfolio. So it would be like our own small case. But the key difference from research-based portfolio service and small case is that unlike small case, you don't need to compulsorily invest in all the stocks that are part of our portfolio. At the end of the day, it is your call if you want to pick all the stocks or single stock. We are basically trying to empower you with the right knowledge so that as an investor, you can make an informed decision. I also want to clarify that this service is not a buy or sell call for a stock. We will only provide the stock details along with valuation. At the end of the day, you need to decide at what price you want to invest. Ideally, we would suggest making an SIP on a monthly basis. And there is a bonus. We will also publish a weekly report on hot stock of the week where we will share the detail of one specific stock for the week. Again, it won't be for trading purpose, it would be only for long-term investment. Moreover, there will be a free tracker that you can track your stocks in a live market. So these are the 3 services you can find on my website www.sahilbhatia.in. I have provided the website link in the description box. They are available as individual services as well as a combo pack at a much lower cost. For all the details like pricing, etc., you can visit the website, and there is also an email and phone support to answer all your queries. I strongly believe that Indian economy has a bright future growth prospect, and the next 25-30 years are going to see amazing transformation in India to make it the 3rd largest economy in the world. Hence, it is the best time to invest in Indian economy. The entire idea is to help individuals take an informed financial decision to realize the power of compounding and achieve all financial goals. This is our sincere attempt to bridge the gap of financial literacy by providing a combination of education and investment related services. And please do not fall for spam comments where the spammer posts the WhatsApp number with my profile pic and name. I never share my WhatsApp number on YouTube. You can get all the details on my website. And if you have any question, I will be happy to answer.